We got a horse.
Look at the horse. Did you see the horse in the picture? There's a horse. Yes. Open the door and put it in the barn. Perfect. Put it in. All right. Close the door. Uh-huh. Yes, he's in the barn. Did you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
Bye-bye, horse.
Oh.
Oh. Well,
you
let's turn the
opened the door.
page and get another one. Oh. Hold on. Oh, there's a piggy. Oink, 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 oink. Do you see the piggy? Dad? I do. Hi, piggy. Okay, let's see if we can find one. Okay, here's a pig. There's a pig. Wait a minute. Daddy, is that a
I
pig?
don't think that's a pig.
That's not a pig. It goes,
Oh.
oh, it goes quack, 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 quack. Here's the duck. Quack, quack,
Yeah,
quack.
there's the duck.
Yes. Okay, open the door and put it in the barn. Okay, yeah.
Or in the sunroof.
Okay. Did you say bye-bye? Say bye, duck.
Bye-bye, duck. Yeah, I know.
Okay. And there's a butterfly. Okay, turn the page. Whoa, there's a cow that says moo. Oh, you say cow. It's a cow. Oh, here it is. Oh, the cow. There's the cow. Make it walk to the barn and open the door. Put it in there.
Yeah, we
Yes.
put the cow in there
Tell
with
it
his
bye-bye.
friends.
Tell it bye-bye. Boom. Okay.
Okay.
Close the door.
We gotta let him go.